Hi, my name is Storm Wright. I'm in the Building Trades program. I graduated from McKinley High School. I really like Alfred because of the variety of classes that you can take. You're never just doing one thing. It's always something new every couple of weeks. The faculty in the school all have a ton of industry experiences, and a lot of them have their own businesses. So it's great to learn from a bunch of industry professionals. The classes offer a chance for you to really work with the tools, and you get a lot of hands-on experiences that you can then use, and it prepares you for the workforce really well. Alfred State really helps you build a path to success. And you get to keep the tools.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.